Hello everybody and welcome back to Flash Records Java, and this is me, V7 Flash, with episode 8. And oh my god, my throat is weird. Give me a second, I need to get some water. Okay, the case is I've been sitting in my room now for like an hour and just coding and watching YouTube, so I haven't talked. Now I started talking, so my voice will be pretty weird and I will need to drink a lot. So anyway, in last episode we started with the GUIs for my new upgraded button API. I call it FlashAPI. It's the official name, I think. I'll probably change it right here. FlashAPI. Okay, so I've done stuff. So you see I have two GUIs here, exactly as I showed, but right now I can drag them around and I'm getting some lag because of I'm recording, but no worries. Oh yeah, I should probably drag it up. So as you see, it follows my mouse wherever I start dragging from. If I drag my mouse off, it doesn't really follow. I don't really know if when I do so it does that, but anyway. But you see, it's not focusing yet, and I can drag two windows at the same time. Anyway, so I will show you how all this code is made. Everything is made in I made an update here. I made an update class in the FGUI class, and then in the FGUI I've made a update which is looping through everything and updating it, and I'm calling the update in the testing also, of course. Okay, so let's go through here. If you're clicking on the name, because we're creating a button, with the same coordinates as the GUI. Oh god. Anyway, so if you're pressing on that and temp, which is boolean, is false, as is now, then focus is true, temp is true. It sets the mouse x, which is just a variable, as I will explain. It sets that to the mouse x position minus whatever the corner is, so minus that point. Okay, and what that does is setting the coordinates onto this pad with a relative to that corner. Instead of that corner like 0 0, it sets it as that corner as is 0 0, and like this is 100 100 0 and 100 100 100. I don't know. Anyway, that is what that does. And then if you're not pressing it, then it just sets the focus to false. So yeah. Oh. Okay. If you're pressing it, then we want to set the GUI. So set is the method that sets the x and y for that name. And it sets it to wherever the mouse is relative to the screen, and then minus that coordinate. So oh gosh, it's hard to explain. Give me a second here, because I draw this in Paint when I did it. So okay, god dang it. If we try to drag Paint up. Okay, perfect. So now if this is our window. No, wait. okay, if this is our window and we're pressing with our mouse right there, then that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 by 6, so that is 6 and 6. And if we would to take, like, we want, if we press there and hold and drag, we want this to follow. And normally if we set the coordinates, then the whole window would move like, I'm not drawing it scale by scale, but it will move like that and will follow my mouse in the corner. But we don't want that, so because we got calculated how many pixels it is here and here, so we know where that is, then we can just do the mouse position and the minus, and then the window will minus up and go in that direction. That's a really bad arrow, but it will go up, or no, wait. Because this is at position 6 by 6, comma, that's a comma. Then it will raise it. Let me draw a nice arrow here. Raise it by 6, and it will, because that is subtracting, as I hope you guys know. And yeah, that's badass arrow. And it will subtract 6 from the x, and that makes the window appear like, or in the same coordinates relative to where you're pointing. I don't know. I'm bad at explaining this. It feels like God, it's beautiful. Who wants me to sit around and do this all episode? Me. Anyway, who cares? Yeah, I hope you guys understand. Anyway, and then it sets the button to the new X and Y as this, so the buttons follow, and that makes it move. Awesome. Perfectly. Now I were working on the focus, and I found it really hard because it's rendering. One is rendered, because really only what I really need to do with the focus is, if one window is focused, then it renders that window or GUI before every other window, and that there you go, then you have a focus thing. So that's what I want to do. And oh god, I should turn off my television. I'm watching a movie on TV. Oh god, I'm getting distracted here. Sorry, it's late at night. It's like 12 p.m. I believe it is. We don't have that kind of time. It's like 23:48. I think you call it military time in America. I don't know. Anyway, because I live in Sweden, it's far away, so it's middle in the night. Anyway, I don't know why I'm saying that false. I know I have it. Anyway, and I don't really know how to do that, which is a shame. So I sat down and figured it out, or not figured it out. I've tried a lot of stuff. I'm new to this site, this array list, so I don't really. There is a set command that, like, if you would do GUI.set, it needs wherever you want to set it. So I could set it to 0, then it will render it first, and here is what you want to set. So get, or then I could do GUI.get I. Okay, what this will do is it will take the current and put it first, but then it would replace whatever's first, and that's not good. And I don't know how. I would like a function. I'm asking you guys now because this would be awesome if someone could post to me. I would need, so if we are on something, then it like sets this current GUI as it should render. It sets that to 0, or okay, let's explain that. If the GUI got focus, because I have a variable in here, focus, as you know, and that's working. When you press the window, it is true, and vice versa. Anyway, so what I would need is, if it got focus, then it should be set as array list ID 0, and if and if there's another spot there, like it would switch. So yeah, I don't know how to do that, but let's say this wouldn't need a number, or like if we are currently on 1, then want to set the 1 to the 0 and want to set the 0 to the 1, but that does not work because I believe that doesn't work. No, it does not. I've tried a lot of stuffs, but it does not work. So I will take a break from this GUI because, well, more the close button, that's really simple. Now when I got this this mouse X and mouse Y, it's just to add a button at those coordinates, which is really simple. So what I would want to do is oh god, I'm tired. I would like to redo my Flash engine game as I showed you guys. Have I showed you it? Yeah, I showed you guys in the video I made today. This is actually the same day as I recorded the other video. I should remember it. So here it is, Flash engine. Sorry, I'm a bit slow. I'm tired and stuff. No yet. So okay, I have this level builder and I have this testing main. Testing main is mostly the game, as I showed you, and I would like to rewrite this to make it to individual blocks, kind of. The thing though with my collision detection, which I also would really enjoy if I could get help on, is my collision detection is so that it checks the direction of the current mob, and then the object, as it checks the collision on, as you get, I can't move up there because my corner is stuck in that, and it checks it with a line right here. It splits this object up to 4 lines, and if I'm moving it that direction, I can't move if I'm onto that line, and that's what's happening. If I stand here, then I'm colliding with that line and that line, so I can't move down and there. So that's the only problem, because if I would have this update or split up to 50 by 50 pixels, I would not be able to go like this. I can't talk today, I think. I would not be able to slide on the walls like I'm doing right now, because I would be able to slide like 50 pixels, and then, or I would not be able to slide at all because my guy is 50 pixels. So collision detection is really a need, as I would like, because like all the videos I found is don't have any good, like for what I want to use it for. They just have like collision detection for check if an object is inside of another object. That's really simple. That's what I'm doing for this. Is just see if it intersects, and that's really easy. The hard thing though is is to what's called, like if I'm going in that direction, then I want to be able to slide, and I want to be able to go away from it. I don't want like go inside of that and you're stuck, because I could do that in these blocks, like slowness blocks or stuff. That's really simple. But anyway, even if we don't get fully worktional, I don't know, collision detection, we could still make so the level builder works and stuff. Can remove you. Can remove block. No, we want to remove block. To remove that. We want to remove that. I want to do that. So, oh, my voice. I'm so. I don't know what's happening with my voice. Anyway, so we want to be able to use this. So first off, I need to fix the saving. So okay, I can show you the saving. It's kind of simple. It's going through like a rendering. Going for the Y. So the Y is 9. It's 9 blocks down and 14 wide. And what it does, it's like first we have a array with 127 as a number in it, because that's a 9 by 14, and that array is holding we set it to the block ID for that current. So like, wait a second, is that the case? So if I go to the level, or if I launch and I take a stone, draw and save it, is that the case? Give me a second. No. Okay, so what this is doing, okay, wait, give me a second, I need to figure this out a bit. So if I'm drawing with emptiness, which is 2, like that, remember that shape? Okay, this is the weirdness. But didn't do this before. Do I need a wonder? No. Oops. Okay, that did not make anything change. Anyway, we're gonna let 0 because I think it should be. So we're setting the current block ID to whatever it's in the index. Then we're looping through the Y. So we're going to Y0, which is 0, 0 up in the top, and then we're doing a loop at 14, and each time it's up. It adds to the XB, and it formats a string whatever count the XB got. So like it started at 0, which is, give me a second, can you do -1 in that? And if I would do stone, I don't know, but okay, it did not do anything. You can't. Okay. And each time it does 14, and then it makes a new line each time it's finished that loop. And it does the new line 9 times. So if we would go in here and just save a blank. No, we want to want to have a grass. Save and exit. Okay, we got 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Anyway, what I don't understand is it is 9 down, as you can see on the line number, but it's starting at 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20. Oh. Okay, I get it. Wait a minute. This should probably fix everything. If I do stone 4, 4, 4, and 4, and then save it and exits. Oh, okay. What? Wait. It's not shrinked it by 1. I don't know if it was that. No, I wanted to raise it by 1, but I can't. Oh yeah, I can. Okay. Of course, just to do 10 and 15. This should probably work. Give me a break if this doesn't work. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Save. Okay, it did not say why. Okay. God, this is... I don't know how to think anymore. Oh God. Okay. Let's think through. Set this to 9. And this to 14. Because what I thought when I saw how it's saved right now is... Okay, let me explain. We just need to save and exit. You see, it starts as 1. This is 1 and this is 9. But in here it starts at 0. But I don't know if it does. Give me a second. System.out.println y. Okay, so it start. Okay, yeah, it started 0 and it does it to 9. Okay, 8. Okay, if we would then to do it like this and change that to x, we should get a number of 127. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Now we should do. Oh no. Save and exit. 26. Okay, with print x. Okay, so if we change this to 15, would this work? Would 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and save and exit. And no. Oh yeah, right. Okay, this is probably a problem I need to do by myself later, because we have run into a half an hour with this pretty boring episode. I hope you learned more about the GUI moving, because that took me time to figure out. So even if it was simple, I don't know, it was a real pain in the butt. and we will continue working on this because I don't really know how to do the focus thing, but we'll continue working on the saving of this. I don't know really, I might fix it between episodes because I think I got it. I think it is like if we're at 14 and we do this blocks, let's take wood and draw a line, or no, wait, options, clear grid, I don't know, and do that, and then do save, and then do exit. What it does, as you see, okay, what the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It's adding 3, it's adding 4 more 4s. Yeah, it is. What? I don't know. That should be 28. Yeah, it's 28. But what? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. We will. This is called formatting, formatting text files, and I would not really need to format it. This is good. It's like I would not need format. I could just print all the numbers out to line, and then load it with all the numbers in line. It's not difficult. The difficult thing right now, because I want this to be readable, and so you can actually, I don't know, go in here and change the value, change the level, I don't know, or I might not want that, I don't know yet, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe, it helps and it is awesome. I got like 9 subscribers, and yeah, it's awesome. Thank you so much. It's not that super much, but still I thought I would not get any subscribers, so it's awesome that you guys are subscribing and liking and commenting, and I like love to read comments that I get. It's from my YouTube channels. It's so awesome. So you guys are really, it's really helpful and fun. So yeah, leave a comment if you have any ideas for the focus, for the collision, or how to solve this. This is like a question episode I pick it up with. Yeah, it's a question episode. Whoever says right, I will show his way in next video, and I will also have his name in the description and his YouTube channel, or her. His or her, yeah. So it's like you can get a shout out if you make it good. So hope you enjoyed. See you guys.